Okay, off to do one of my favourite boss fights. I actually do love this boss fight. I'm not kidding. I do like it. It's awesome. I'm like a shadow, dude. Okay. It doesn't really help too much if you have the whatever it's called or not. It doesn't matter as much. If you have the Rift Inducer, it doesn't matter too much with this fight. This is a boss fight that we're going to.
Quantum whip emits.
Oh, look how beautiful it is!
Slice through enemies.
That is what I call nice. Oh yeah, they have a cannon now.
Strafing is a very effective tactic during a firefight. To strafe, hold down L2 or R2.
Look at these little beauties, you got fucking cannons. Look at these beauties, man. They never leave my sight as well, which is excellent. Oh man, that's amazing. That's brilliant. Oh, screw it, I'm finding it. Where is it? No, wrong one. Where is it? Rift Inducer, I'm using it. No! Oh, that sucks, I didn't even get to use it. Damn you guys! Are they still alive? Oh man, they are. Screw it, I'm using them actually, they're really good! They're surprisingly powerful. Stay alive, boys. Shoot to kill. And upgrade. Yeah, gradually their cannons will get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger as the upgrade commences and upgrades and stuff. It's awesome. Is what it is. And we've still got a core grid comic to do. I forgot about that. I'll go back and do it later. I can't remember which one it is, actually. This is the third one. I can never remember what the third one is. I remember what every single one is apart from that one. It's the only one I can never remember. Oh, that sucks. That also sucks. Wow, I'm alive. I'm like a shadow, dude.
This is the testing laboratory for the Bio-Obliterator. Let's see what Nefarious has been up to.
Whoa! Like I never knew you were this kinky, Miss Gears.
Don't you ever shut up.
Okay, I'll zip it. Man, the guys aren't gonna believe this.
Clank, destroy all squishies, dude.
What? They turned Skid into a robot? That's impossible. Not for Dr. Nefarious.
Don't be afraid, Ratchet. The transformation doesn't hurt. Much.
Boss fight.
Besides, I think you'll enjoy being a robot.
Let's see if you can fight better than you can sing.
Okay, not gonna lie, this is a tough boss, and I mean really tough. You want the best weapons here. You want to use your best. Seriously, I recommend using your best here. You really need it. There's no other choice. Use your best weapons.
Ouch! That looked like it hurt.
It did. If you get nanotech upgrades, accept it. You'll be thankful. You're gonna die now, gonna die now, dun, dun, dun. You're gonna die now, gonna die now. You are gonna get home now, gonna get home now. It's all your fault, Britney Spears, I mean Courtney Gears, dun, 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 dun. Of course there's the ammo, but this fight is genuinely quite hard. Don't worry, if you have this though, it should be fine, in theory. You shouldn't be too bad, assuming you have this weapon. Because this weapon cones her. This like, die. Yep, you're dying. Good. The first phase, I think, is the hardest.
It looks like it hurts.
It did. Come on. Oh, are you kidding? No, not that. Go, man. No, I said change. Jump, shooter, go. Yes! Oh, guys, I'm proud of you guys. I'm so proud of you guys.
One disposable pop star.
Yeah.
Disposed. You okay, Clank? Transmission from the Phoenix.
We've located a ferry star
Yay.
cruiser. It's refueling at the Zeldrin starport. Quark is already on his way there.
It might be a trap. I think
Look at the little guys in the background.
Even so, it could be our only chance to stop the ferries. We'll meet Quark at the starport.
Oh, there you
Be
go.
careful, Ratchet.
Come on, Clank. We'll come back for Skid later.
Like, destroy all squishies and stuff.
Awesome. Oh, I'm so proud of my little guys. They're so powerful. I love them. My little guys are awesome. Let's go. Southern Starport. Now, I believe there are 2 titanium bolts. Let me check the skill points. I don't think there are any. There are no skill points. Let's see. Are there any? Is Southern Starport? Is there a? No, there isn't a thing. There isn't.
Welcome to the Zeldrin starport. Due to increased security, thermonuclear warheads and nail
No,
clippers
there
are
isn't
no
a
longer
thing.
permitted as
Whatever it's called, a trophy here. That's nice. Now, the good thing about this level is it can be insanely short or really long, depending on which way. If you go that way immediately, you can just go on your merry way. You can actually just skip pretty much the entire level if you wish. You may do that. Doesn't say you can't do that. Nothing against you doing that at all. Now, this is where these guys come in handy. These guys are getting upgraded a lot here. And I mean a lot. These guys are really easily upgraded here, and it's nice. So I would recommend using this to your advantage.
visible at all times.
So yes, use these guys. Actually, screw that. I'm going to go into the quick select. Where is it? Okay, let's see. That I won't need. What isn't upgraded will be switched round. That's upgraded now, so suck cannon, rift inducer. I want to keep that, however, I do want to keep that. It's okay, that's fine. Right. So yeah, there's a lot of bolts and there's a lot of stuff, so it's quite good here. There's only 2 titanium bolts, so just get all you can, really. Pretty much it. There's enough ammo stuff, so really fine in theory. It's not too hard to get all of them, it's just this area is really short or really long, depending on which way you go. So this is the point of the game where you can get loads of bolts really quickly, and that guy again was hovering on that thing. Awesome. But yeah, it is brilliant, this game now. It's where it starts to get more interesting, because things become a little bit harder to kill, etc. and stuff, and it's interesting. They can't be self-typed, can they? No. Well, they can, it's just not easy. It's really not easy, so let's just stick with these guys. We'll just stick with these guys for now.
That are too bulky to fit in the overhead compartment must be checked as luggage.
Single deck, come on, Dave, do it. You can do it, man, I believe in you. By the time through, when did I have that? I'll just shoot him. Well done, man. Shoot to kill. Good man. I would advise using this here. This is a great time. You get hit, but it's worth it. I'm dead, but I don't care. I couldn't care less. It's a great time to upgrade, seriously. I would seriously advise doing it. Jump out of the way if you have enough time. Should do. It's not too hard. We've got plenty of bolts of ammo, so that's all good. And you're getting quite close now, actually. Whoa! You're getting really close now. So yeah, it's really easy. You've got pretty much an endless supply of bolts, really. Okay, somehow you dodged that. I'm not going to deny how you did it, but you did. So I thought I was going to happen.
All security personnel report immediately.
How did I get shot? Oh right, these guys. Haha, lol. Let's go. If you're good enough, you can dodge. If you're not good enough, then stop.
Your safety is important to us.
Whoa, that's a bomb.
Clear of all decorative.
This is where I send the agents of doom, of dread and doom and death and doom and death and death and stuff. Shoot him. Oh yeah, that's how it's done. Alright, let's get this guy. Things have become a little bit more difficult now.
Loitering in the starport is strictly forbidden. Violators will be
They haven't shot me,
and
so it's
fined.
fine. See, it's pretty much upgraded, if I'm being honest. Now, I am actually going to go back and get more ammo because, come on, it's worth it. There's a lot of areas like that, and it's worth it. So, just do it. Why not? You can upgrade all your weapons here. It's very easy to do, because everything's so powerful. Just advisory. You missed out a few bolts that landed here originally. Who cares? Not many bolts, is it?
Please form a line outside while the
Just a
current
few bolts.
officers are ejected through the airlock.
A few tiny bolts. Alright. Fire. Get them all. If you can, kill them before they kill you.
Due to new security
There you
provisions,
go.
passengers must keep appendages
Oh, I
at
like
their
it.
sides at all times. Raised appendages will result in immediate
A what?
disintegration.
Depends of what?
Any questions?
What's appendages? Oh god. See how easy this is? I may have missed a titanium bolt. If I have, I'll go and get it. Because I'm not entirely... Oh, Jesus! This is a job for these guys.